Hi, I'm Millie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Beauty Drop Box by Liberty, and this is really pretty. And look how beautiful that is. And so there's a little sheet of paper telling you what the ingredients are. And it has this little booklet telling you about what the products are. And it also has a sheet of paper telling you about their fragrances. So the first product is a product that my mum has been wanting to try for ages. This is the Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream, and it says with TFC8. This is 7ml. I'll get it out of its packaging to show you what it looks like. And this is it. It is really pretty. And my next product is a nail and cuticle oil. This is by Pure Vert. And my next product is one of their fragrances, and this is the Rinaldo Bomia perfume. And I'm going to have a little smell of this. And it does actually smell quite musky, but I do actually really like that smell. That is quite good. And my next product has the same pretty design as the box. I think this might be a mirror. Yes, this is. And this is it, and it is so pretty. And we have one product in there. This is by 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And that is all of our products from the Beauty Drop by Liberty London box. It's been amazing. This has been our first time getting this box. And we've got really good products in here. We're really looking forward to trying the products in this. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!